Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, audio radio, touchscreen display. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.